Hi, I'm Erik Linask here at Supercom in Chicago, and I'm talking with Anthony Ambrose, who's the Vice President and General Manager at Radisys. Anthony, thank you for joining me.
Thanks for having me, Erik.
How's the show been so far for you? Let's start with that.
The show's been great. We had a major announcement this morning talking about our ATCA product line, specifically about some partnerships we announced with Radisys and 6Wind that I think will transform the way people look at how they source their next generation ATCA platforms.
Tell me a little bit more about the announcement and more specifically what it means for the rest of the industry.
Certainly. Erik, what we've found with over 40 engagements with customers in ATCA is that they really want to be able to not only develop next generation products, but shrink the time to market required to get those products into the market. This gets them an advantage of having the ability to have the latest features on their product, and it also reduces their R&D cost. What we announced today with Radisys and 6Wind is a pre-validation of some of their important software stacks running on Radisys ATCA products. This allows our customers to take advantage of our pre-integration so that they can get their final solutions developed much more rapidly and with less work on their part. We think this will help people move the average deployment time from about 36 months down to 12 months. And that's a meaningful change in the time to market for customers' products.
That is absolutely a significant change, 36 to 12. What does that mean in terms of those folks' ability to upgrade and enhance their products more quickly?
Well, as you know, we've talked about this several times. The ability of the product management people has to be realized in the time frame that the engineering group can deliver. Imagine 3 years ago if we talked about the impact of an iPhone on the data traffic in the network. I think very few people 3 years ago would have predicted where we are today. If you go back 1 year ago, I think a lot of people could have predicted where we are today. So if you have a 12-month development cycle, you really improve the odds that your product management and forecasting ability to get to that next great application or find the next problem that you can solve in your platform deployment. It gives you an opportunity to realize those issues, design and develop products for them, and then go market them while the other customers or the competitors are still thinking about what they were trying to do 3 years ago. So you have a huge strategic advantage by this time to market gain, and Radisys solutions and our partners Radisys and 6Wind enable us to enable our customers to move very rapidly and exploit those market opportunities.
Is time to market the biggest challenge that product developers face?
I certainly think it's one of the major challenges. In today's networking business, you can either compete on time to market, features, functionality, and solving problems, or you can try and be the low-cost producer against some very big Asian equipment manufacturers. We don't think it's necessarily the best strategy to try and be the low-cost producer against those Asian suppliers when you have a very strong opportunity to be the time to market and feature set leader by partnering with companies like Radisys.
Even at a time when nearly everybody, if not everybody, is focusing on cost savings.
You can do this without jeopardizing your cost position. Moving faster not only gets you the benefit of being better prepared in the market, but being 2 years ahead of your competition is a full semiconductor cycle, which means you're 30 to 50% higher performance, 30 to 50% lower power, 30 to 50% better capability overall. So you can actually have better price performance at the same time you're improving your time to market. It's a virtuous cycle.
Oh, that's fantastic. Anything else on the horizon that you can talk about coming from Radisys?
No, just stay tuned to the Radisys channel. I think we'll have a lot more announcements upcoming shortly.
Excellent. And check out all those announcements. Do check out the Radisys-sponsored ATCA channel right here on TMCnet as well. I've been talking here at Supercom with Anthony Ambrose from Radisys. Anthony, thank you.
Thank you, Erik. Thank you.